Hello students, today I am going to explain you chapter number 15 Jayah Parajayo Va means victory or a defeat. So I give you a general introduction of this lesson. Man considered himself superior to the other animals, but there are no wars in an animal kingdom. Individual killing does take place among the animals, but the war which can be called a mass murder is unknown to other animals. You might have heard the phrases like a chemical warfare or a biological warfare. We do not know how many more will be added to be vocabulary of a war. This lesson point out the difference between the ancient war and the modern war. In the days of Ramayana and Mahabharata, war was fought on the battlefield and that too during the days. Now, the civil population is not spared. Nights are more suitable for attacking the enemy country. The effect of a war are felt long after a war is over. Even the generation in a future suffer. The old proverb sins of the parents are visited on the children has never been so true as it is in modern time. If man learn from the history, he will not make the same mistake and history will not be repeated itself. So, let's start our lesson. एकदा स्वर्गस्थित अर्जुन पृथिव्या द्रष्टुकां भूलोक्यम आगच्छत मीन्स वंस अर्जुन लिविंग इन द हेवन डिजायर टू सी द अर्थ एंड कम डाउन टू द अर्थ प्राप्त भूलोक स महांत जयघोष श्रुतवान हैविंग रीच्ड द अर्थ ही हर्ड अ लाउड प्रोक्लेमेशंस ऑफ अ विक्ट्री जयघोष मीन्स प्रोक्लेमेशन ऑफ अ विक्ट्री मतलब विजयनाद स जयघोषकारकं जनसमूहस्य समीपं गच्छति ही वेंट नियर द ग्रुप ऑफ अ पीपल हू वेर प्रोक्लेमिंग विक्टरी तान् दृष्ट्वा अर्जुनोऽपि पुरातनं महाभारतं विजयं तदानीन्तनान् प्राप्तविजयान् जनान् च स्मरति पीपल हू हैड scored a victory in the world war that had just ended were celebrating the victory. Having seen them, Arjun also remembered the victory in the ancient Mahabharata war and the victorious people. एतत् अपरिचित पूर्व समुपस्थितम अर्जुन ते जना स्वकीय विजयोत्सवे योजितवन्त मीन्स the people include this Arjun who was not known to them before who had approached there in the celebration of a victory. Arjunopi jataharsh te se sanlagno bhavata. Being delighted, Arjun also joined with them. Kaschit kalantaram sa trushamanubhutvanam. After some time, he got thirsty. अभ्यागतेन तेन अश्व एको याचित he who was a guest asked for a horse याचिता स्वासो अश्वम आरूढ़म जलम पातुम नगराद वही स्थितम एकम परिचित पूर्व सरोवर गतवान having asked for a horse riding the horse he went to the lake which was out of the city and was known by him in the past. तत्र यदा स जलपानाय उद्यतो भवति तदा कस्यचित् पुरुषस्य ध्वनि श्रुतवान्. When he was about to drink the water there, he heard a certain man's voice. Mahashaya, sagaram idam jalam. Gentlemen, this water is poisonous. Adhuna apeyamasti. Now it is not suitable for drinking. Arjuna saschcharyam tamadrashtapurvam purusham pruchhati. Katham idam sagaram jalam. Being surprised, Arjuna asked the man whom he had not seen before, how is this water poisonous? प्रकृतिनिर्मिता सरोवर तु सर्वदैव पेयजला एवं भवन्ति means the lake created by the nature are always full of water worthy for drinking. How can the water of this lake being a poisonous? स्वरेण युवक कायेन वृद्ध इवं कश्चिद भग्नदत्त धवलकेश सदण्ड एक जनः अर्जुनस्य समीपम् आगत. A man with the voice of the youth, body of an old man who had lost his teeth, whose hair were white and who was with a walking stick, come near to Arjun. अदृष्टपूर्वं तादसं जनं दृष्ट्वा अर्जुन आश्चर्यचकित संजात. Whose hair were white. Seeing the man like that, not having seen before, Arjun was surprised. महाभारत कालिकान स्थूल कायान बलिष्ठान जनानां स्मरणं स कष्टम अनुभूतवान. He felt very sad or sorry remembering the stout strongest people in the era of Mahabharata. अस्य एतादृशस्थिति दृष्ट्वा अर्जुन साश्चर्यं पुष्टवान्. Having observed such a condition of a man, Arjun asked with surprise, को भवान कस्मात् तव इदसी अवस्था जाता? Who are you and why are you reduced to this condition? सप्रत्यवद अहम अस्य देशस्य एक सैनिक. He replied, I am the soldier of this country. विगतेषु कतिपयेषु मासेषु बहूनां देशानां परस्परं युद्धम् अभवत्. For the past many months, many countries were at the war with one another. तत्र विविधानि शस्त्राणि प्रयुक्तानि. Many kinds of weapons were used by them. तस्मात् कारणात् जलं स्थलं वायु प्राणिनम् इत्येव बहुविधं जगतं विविध रूपेण प्रभावितम् अस्ति. Because of it is many kind of a world such as water, land, living beings have been affected in the various way. किं ते कथयामि शस्त्रास्त्र निगर्ते प्रदूषिते सर्वं वस्तु जातं प्रदूषितं विषमयं च संजदात्. What should you tell? All the things have been polluted and become poisonous by the using of shots shoot out from the arms and missiles. अस्य सरोवरस्य जलमपि एतस्मादेव कारणात् सगरम् अस्ति. The water of this lake is also be poisonous due to these reasons only. अत्रत्यं जलं पीत्वा पीत्वा मदीया एषा स्थितिः संजाता. These conditions is due to or a result of having drink the water of this lake, and here again and again. मदीयं पुत्र इदमेव जलं पीत्वा विगत दृष्टि गंभीरे कूपे पतितो मृतश्च. My son, who lost his sight as a result of drinking this water only, fell into a deep well and died. मदीया भार्या विषमयस्य वायो प्रभावेन निरुद्ध श्वासा दिवंगता. My wife, due to the influence of poisonous gas, suffocated and expired. प्रतिदिन जलस्यास्य पानेन गतप्राणान् जीवान् पश्यन् भुक्तरोग अहम् अत्र स्थित्वा पशुपक्षी मानवान् अस्य जलपानात् वारयामि. Seeing the living being dying by drinking the water of this lake, I, who have suffered dispute the birds, beasts and the human being from drinking this water, staying here. अर्जुन वृत्तान्तमेत श्रुत्वा पुरातनीयस्य महाभारता विदस्य युद्धस्य परिणाम स्मृतिपथ मानयति. Having heard this account, Arjun remembered the effect of an ancient war called Mahabharata war. स विचारयति यत् तदा बहुना जनानां संहार संजतात् तेन च परिवारेषु आपदानां परंपरा प्रवर्तिता. He thought that at that time many persons were killed, and on account of that series of calamities befall their families. परंतु जलवायु भूम्या आकाशदयो महाभूतास्तवे शुद्धासन. But the great elements such as earth, water, air, lights and space were pure as before. ते जीवानां कृते यथापूर्वम् उपयोगिनम् एवासन. They were useful for the living being as in the past. सम्प्रति यद अहम पश्यामि ततम अधिकम शोचनीयम असति. Now what I see is more lamentable. किम अयम अधुना प्रवर्तितम मानवस्य जय जय अस्ति पराजयो वा. What is this that has taken place? It is man's victory, or this is the victory or a defeat. एवं स शोक अर्जुन अपित जल एवं गृहीत चिंतश्च पुनः स्वर्ग प्रत्यावर्तत. Thus the distressed Arjun returned to the heaven without drinking the water and having become worried.